Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today I will be doing the second weekly challenge prompt, that word being chirping. Now, I absolutely love birds, so how about we get into this painting? So coming into this piece, I was really excited because besides my dog, birds are my favorite animals. So having the chance to do a painting with a bird, I am always excited. Now, yes, I will point out right now that there is a grammar error that was noticed. Slightly late-ish, but I did cleverly fix it in the end. So don't judge me, my paper doesn't have autocorrect. But with this piece, I really wanted to have the bird without too much detail, but just really insinuate the features with the colors throughout the bird. So I slowly layered on ink until I got what I was looking for. If you want a super rich color with these inks, I figured out the best way to do this is to actually start out with a pretty wet layer for the base, and then letting that dry and coming back onto it with just the straight ink, and the colors really pop. But I am going to be quiet and I'm going to let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word chirping. Now, I think this turned out really good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Also, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, they're gonna be right in your brochure, right in the bottom corner there for you. Also, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!